Hey, this is Jasper here from Salestools. Today I will drop you a knowledge bomb. So what I'm going to help you with here is how do you set your outbound sales automation on autopilot. Basically create a sales funnel with automation that actually give replies. So to give you an example, this one automatically takes screenshots of the profile on LinkedIn and add it in, and it works. My test here, I ran 20 people, sorry 20, right, 2 times 10. And the reason why I did this was I got 3 replies, booked the demo within 10 hours from running this. And by the way, it ran while I was sleeping for another time zone. This is the beauty of it. You see right here, Chen, he booked me a demo in my calendar. So how do we do that? And this is what I'm going to teach you right now. And it's live, each one of you can use it right away. So we do a LinkedIn search. That will automatically send that to Salestools. We capture the screenshot on Salestools from LinkedIn. We find verified email and start the automation. So let's get to the basic. First, what you need to do is 2 things. You need to do the search on LinkedIn. So I did the search right here. I'm going to copy the search URL. These guys I want to contact. Then what I do is I go back to Salestools and I start creating first the template needed for this automation. Now, of course, like anyone else, I cheated. I pre-wrote this template for you, but I will show you the principles of how you do it. If you just bear me 1 second here. So if I go into templates and I search image, I will find my pre-made template right here. So I created this template, as you've seen in the email, where I got 3 replies out of 20 people that want a demo. And basically, this email personalization follow-up, you can set it up and it's super simple. So right here, I merged in the first name, and that's it. This is the follow-up email, sorry. The other one is the direct, but I want to show you the principle of how you do it. So right now, I put myself on the left and we automatically capture the screenshot on the right. And the way we did that is when you create a template, let me just make one from scratch to show you how that actually is done and how simple it is. So if I go in and say I want to add a new template, I do it right here. So we go in and add it. I'm pressing too fast. So if we go in and say I create a template from scratch, basically what I'm going to do from there is I'll write the text and then I'll just show you right now the function, how to do it. So you write your text, everything perfect, then you press this blue button and it will activate the functions for LinkedIn. Now your screenshot will sit here on the left and you can replace it, or you can say add up by clicking right here. And then either you can use a URL or you can click right here to upload your own picture. You can change the sizing by unlocking its padlock so it's perfect. Or basically you delete the screenshot, you just want the LinkedIn profile. So we run like that, you save the template, and that's it. Now, how did I set this up, this automation? It's very simple. So if you go back to automations, I will show you right now how it is working. So if I go list of automations, or you build a new one, my starting point was, I'll just show you everything right here. So growth hackers, I'm not sure who wrote "oh my god" on it on my test here, but anyway. So you start out with a LinkedIn Sales Navigator, regular LinkedIn search. If we use Sales Navigator, we capture the screenshot of Sales Navigator. It doesn't look as well. That's why I recommend to use regular LinkedIn. You put in the search URL, very simple. How many people? So this one we ran with 50. Then I add the next function. It's important you do that. The LinkedIn profile screenshot. Otherwise, we don't have a screenshot to add. You add that under. That means on those 50 people, we will automatically capture 50 screenshots. Then you add in the next step, which is your template that you saved, that using the screenshot, as I showed just before. Then you add a delay, you can put in a connection request, you can put more emails. This is really how simple it is. You can make a really long 55, I've seen customers make over 100 steps. So you're actually running over a long time based on opens and no opens. And you can personalize the whole aspect around how's your personalization with them, how did you research them. You show that by the screenshot so people to feel honored that you actually took time researching them. And this actually turned out to generate more sales qualified leads. So test it out today and get ready to book more demos. Thank you so much.